This is Chandana and we are from Keshavati Concept School from Mahabub Nagar. Our guide teacher is Walter Sir. Today our project is about crops on the rooftop cultivation. As we know, the people who are living in urban areas are facing a number of problems such as pollution of air and contaminated atmosphere. We with no other chance are forced to be far away from the freshly plucked garden veggies and fruits. Nowadays we all know that we are using the chemicalized packed fruits and vegetables which are available in the supermarkets. So covering our rooftops green or simply greening our rooftops is one best or the alternative solution to reduce all the environmental problems of the urban areas. Our project is not only concerned with the cultivation, it is also concerned with the water which is used for the cultivation. We all know that nowadays the water is becoming very scarce in urban areas. So the sewage water or dirty water, after the family fulfills its hydro requirements, is filtered and used for the treatmental plants. And also here we have the two sensors. We have to place it in a soil of the crop so that it makes the crop to take the sufficient or enough water. By doing so, we can avoid the overflow of water and also wastage of water. And if the water is below one level, it automatically starts the working of motor. If the water is above one level, it stops the working of motor. So thus it is automatic. And also we will get many benefits also. Environmental benefits. We know that heat islands are formed in the urban areas due to the heavy usage of concrete and cement, and this increases the temperature in the atmosphere. So by doing the rooftop cultivation, we can reduce the temperature in the atmosphere and also balance the temperature. The recent experiments done by the scientists prove that it reduces 1 to 4.2 degrees centigrade every day. And also we know that we come to know that the rooftop cultivation delays the storm water to run off, and it increases the moisture in the atmosphere so that it helps in bringing the rain. And also we have many energy related benefits too. As we know, the temperature is very high in summer, and this temperature is forcing the man to use ACs and coolers in the form of electrical energy. If by doing the rooftop cultivation, it can keep the roof very cool, and also we can reduce the usage of electrical energy in the form of ACs and coolers. And the recent experiments prove that it reduces 99.4% electromagnetic waves, and also it reduces 2 to 3 decibels of sound every day. So we can reduce the noise pollution also. And we come to know that the electricity usage also will be reduced. If the electrical energy usage is reduced, the production also will be reduced. If the production of electricity energy is reduced, the carbon dioxide which are released from the thermal power stations also reduced. So thus we can also improve the air quality. Finally, we want to conclude that by seeing all the modern facilities of the rooftop cultivation, we think all would adopt this method and also make our country social benefited, energy related, and also pollution free country. Thank you, sir.
Benefits.
There are many additional benefits such as it doubles the lifespan of the roof, and it also reduces the noise pollution from 2 to 3 decibels. It also reduces the temperature in the building from 46 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius, and achievement of food can also be increased. And we can also get many social benefits. It creates the novel spaces to produce their own food. It also creates many employment. It also provides employment for the citizens in the society, and we can achieve our food security. It creates a free community space.
Good, very good.